Yo, what's up guys, NQ here and welcome to another video. And in this video we will go over on how to install FiveM. FiveM is a sort of GTA mod that you can use to join different servers. It can be roleplay server, drifting servers, community servers. So they're servers that people own and do fun stuff on. And I play a lot of roleplay. All my videos that I've made on my YouTube channel is about on how to install different scripts to your FiveM server. And now we're going to go over how to install FiveM. So you're just gonna go into Google and type in FiveM, not FiveM Forum, and you have FiveM.net. This will be linked down in the description. And as you can see here, we have streaming. FiveM allows servers to use custom cars, maps, weapons, and more dynamically. We have the AI. FiveM allows servers to keep the original game AI, so you never be alone. You can also PvE. Sync quality. FiveM uses Rockstar Network code with the improvements, so you have the best sync around. And standalone. FiveM doesn't modify your GTA 5 installation, so you can switch between GTA 5 and FiveM without getting banned. So all the FiveM doesn't modify your original GTA 5 files, so you can switch between them too without being worried to get banned for your GTA 5 files being manipulated. So it's very safe to use and no risk at all. And streaming, as we said, FiveM allows servers to use custom weapons, maps, cars. So technically you can make a new game with FiveM using GTA files and just add more content into the game. So you're gonna click on download client, and I recommend reading all this. I already had FiveM installed, so I'm just gonna hit sure I agree. And this snail will come up here saying thank you, you're awesome, and you will get FiveM.exe. So you can take this. I will put this in a map. Sorry for that. And we can call this FiveM. Drag this in here, like so, and I'm going to run it. And it will say updating FiveM, and it will start downloading, and this may take a while depending on your internet speed. FiveM needs to update local game data. You're gonna hit yes, and it will start connect to your Rockstar, because you have to have a legal copy of GTA 5 for this to be able to work, because FiveM connected to Rockstar or Social Club, I think is the name of it. And so you have to have a legal copy of GTA 5 to be able to play FiveM. So we are going to have a legal copy. You can have it on Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar. But then you're just going to open it. Sometimes it will ask for maybe file location, or that you have to log into your Rockstar account. But yeah, this is very straightforward, and you just type in, fill in your information, and it will run for you. So you can also join with, they have FiveM Forum or this one, so you can log in via your browser. Yeah, so I will do that. And I will just click authorize. And account linked. Welcome, Markistan. Continue. So now when you're here, we have some settings. We can go through here. Your player name. Some servers have rules that you have to have the same player name as your Steam name, but otherwise your Steam name will be your player name. Yeah, enable background music. You have some settings here. So we can go back here, and we have play. And here you can hit, and you get all this type of servers that are up and running. You have filters. You can search for ESX, VRP, VRP, roleplay, custom, jobs, etc. And sort it by many other things. You have favorites, and you have history. Yeah, that is how you install and download FiveM. It's very simple. and very, very fun, I think, depending on servers. But it was a short tutorial because I haven't made a tutorial about how to install FiveM, so this is it. And if you want to host your own server, I have a link in the description to SAP hosting. If you want 20% extra off, you can use that link. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.